Yo, what up? What up? I'm back. Started getting the subs unwired. Gotta finish it up, then I'm gonna take them out. Sorry, guys. Shit. I have no idea what I'm doing. There we go. Anyway, let's do this. You know what? Let's just take these bad boys out, huh? Whoop. Play with me like that. Come on. This is what happens when I mounted all these by myself. You know, and I learned a lesson there. Not ever gonna do that again because some of these are pain to get out. You know what I mean? And once again, I'm running into the same problem with the port as I did with the port. I don't like this. This next time, I'm taking my damn time. Next build, I am not mounting anything until everything is done drying completely. Jumping the gun and rushing. That really blows, man. Here we go. Ooh, yeah, buddy. Yeah. Here we go. Looking good. SA-12. Yeah, I'm not mounting anything until it cures. From now on, learn my lesson there. This is gonna blow down here. Come to daddy. Don't play me like that. No, but everything else looked pretty good. Nothing looked messed up. Ah, man, that really bugs me. Oh, man. Come on, babies. Don't play me like that. Oh, don't play me, don't play me. Forgot one wire. See, that's bad juju right there, boys. Right there. bad juju. Got wood stuck on it. Don't mount your subs in a hurry. Which you guys probably already know that, but I'm learning, and that sucks. Oh well. Everything else looks good. Let me get these out of here so I'm not getting too crammed up. Well, I'm a big boy, so it's gonna take me a bit to get out of this piece. Anyway, there's the beasts. Anyway, looking good, looking good. Got 2 out, 2 more to go. I know some of you guys are probably like, dude, try taking 30 of them out. But anyway, I'm having fun. I'll hook you guys back in or tune you guys back in when I'm on the teardown process, when I'm cutting shit up. All right, peace.